Unit overview. In this unit, we will be learning the PIC instruction set. The learning outcome for this unit is programming PIC microcontroller using assembly language and C programming. You can refer to the books and e-resources. This unit covers CBT and lab assessments, and you need to try the activity 2 for formative assessments. Assembler directive. There are three important assembler directives which are used while writing the assembly program. The ORG directive usually indicates the start of the assembly program. EQ directive is used to assign a constant to a value, and the end directive indicates the end of the assembly program. PIC microcontroller has 35 instructions, of which 6 data transfer instructions are listed in this table below: move LW, move WF, move F, clear W, clear F, and swap. In the following slides, we will see these instructions in detail. The PIC microcontroller contains memory locations which are called as the file registers, and it has one register called as the working register or the accumulator. Any value that is to be stored in the memory has to be first moved to the W register using the instruction move LW. The values of the W register can be copied to the file register using the instruction move WF. And to copy the value from a file register to W register, we require to use the move F instruction. Values cannot be directly copied to the file register or from one file register to another. The move LW instruction copies a value to the W register. For example, move LW25 copies the value 25 into the W register. The move WF register copies the value of W register into the file register. For example, move WF25 will copy the value in W register to the file register at location 25. The move F instruction is used to copy a value from the memory into the W register or itself. If the destination is 0, the content is copied to W register, and if the destination is 1, the content is copied to itself. The add LW instruction. This instruction tells the CPU to add a value to the WREG and store the result in WREG. If we have two instructions, move LW25, it will copy the value 25 in W register, and add LW34 will add the value 34 to the W register. After executing these two lines, it will result in W register having the value 59. The clear W and clear F instruction. The clear W instruction clears the content of W register to 0 and sets the 0 flag to 1. The clearF instruction clears the content of the file register to 0 and sets the 0 flag to 1. We can clear the value of W register to 0 by using the instruction move LW0 or clear W instruction. The main difference between the two is move LW instruction does not affect the Z flag, while clear LW will set the Z flag to 1. The swapf instruction. The swapf instruction exchanges the upper and lower nibble. The upper 4 bits are exchanged with the lower 4 bits. If a value is F4, after execution of swapf, it becomes 4F. If the value of port A is 3A, after swapf, it becomes A3. This instruction does not affect the status register. The swapf instruction is useful for working with BCD or hex numbers. It is useful when we want to move to register or from W register without affecting the F flag. Swapf, when used twice, will get you the original number.